Oh brother, why do businessmen take loans to start a new business? You don't know? Subscribe to the channel and come, I'll explain everything clearly. For example, Elon Musk wants to start a new company or a new business. To start this business, he needs $100 million. Elon Musk already has $100 million in cash, but still, he decides to take a loan. And this is where the real game begins. Instead of using his own money, Elon Musk puts his $100 million into an FD. FD means fixed deposit. At the same time, he takes a loan of $100 million from the bank. Let's assume the interest rate in both cases is 8%. Now the real question is, will Elon Musk earn more interest from the FD, or will he pay more interest on the loan? Now look carefully at this list. The loan of $100 million is taken for 10 years at an 8% interest rate. After 10 years, Ali has to repay approximately $145 million to the bank. On the other side, Ali's fixed deposit is also earning interest at 8%. Over 10 years, the value of his $100 million in FD grows to approximately $220.8 million. Now calculate the difference. After paying back the loan, Ali is still left with around $75 lakh in profit. Now you understand the strategy? Okay, but what if the business fails? Good question. If a businessman's business fails, he can use his fixed deposit to repay the loan easily. His risk is controlled, and his money is still working for him. This is why smart businessmen prefer loans instead of using their own cash directly. If you have any questions, comment below and don't forget to subscribe.